Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is grain-filled outline map. A grain-filled outline map is an ideal way to make an attractive project that is related to any map. Plan out grains you will need for your map. I have used split mung beans as it gives me a very thin outline, and brown rice for the filling. You can also use finger millet for your work, which I had tried and it really looks amazing. Center your cardboard on the white chart paper. Faintly mark the edges of the cardboard and then add an extra 1 to 2 centimeter of space so that the cardboard will fit inside of the chart paper. Now fold into a crease and apply glue. Repeat the process for all the other sides of the chart paper. Create a border using pencil and black sketch pen. For sketching the outline of the map, make sure that you draw a simple light sketch outline with no details. And now let's do the filling. Start with one section in your picture. Continue gluing grains at a time. You can use a stick to avoid mess while dealing with the grains. Squeeze some glue. Spread the glue with your finger or a paintbrush and fill the shapes with grains. Some of the grains inside the outline of the picture may come off as well. Just fill the gaps with glue and more grains. The final task is to add accessories to the project. Practice writing the word on a scrap or a paper in different script or fonts until you find a script you like. And then with a marker or a pen, inscribe the title on the name tag and then glue it.